Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that we would have a little fun with some samples that I have received and do a little get ready with me using a few products that I'm on the fence about buying. So the other day I was at the Bobbi Brown counter and I was looking at these new crushed liquid lips. I had heard lots of really good things, and then when I was there they were doing little makeovers and this woman was telling me that I absolutely have to try their Illuminating Bare Glow Balm. So she kind of called it the underrated product, and you know I love a good glow. Excuse me. So anyhow, I thought that today we would use that product along with I'm gonna try Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk again. They are now not actually, well, they do sell it at Sephora, but at my Sephora, they actually had the Luminous Silk testers, and one of the lovely people at Sephora decided to match me. So as you know, if you've watched any of my videos, guys, I'm not a huge fan of Luminous Silk. I know I'm in the minority, but I think it's all come down to not having the right shade. So they matched me in Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk 5.75. I have been matched in 5.25, 5.5, and neither one of those were great for me. One was too pink and the other one was really orangey. So I thought today we would put a little glow on, play with some makeup, and see how it goes. Okay, so you guys, number one, I've got this Illuminating Glow Balm. So I'm a little bit concerned because it smells very, it has a medicinal smell to it. My skin, I really love Bobbi Brown, but I can't use a lot of her products because she puts lavender, either oil in it. And this one definitely, they told me that the extra line is really for sensitive type skin and that this should not cause issues, but it almost smells like it has eucalyptus in it. I'm gonna check that out and report. I'll put a little note on here, you guys. I should have brought my computer. Now I will tell you, you guys, it feels pretty darn amazing. It actually feels like a really nice, you know, I love balm, but it's very hydrating. And then let's come up and see if you can see a little glow or not. The one thing she was saying is this is going to be more of an adult kind of glow. Like it isn't going to be, you know, super outrageously shiny. Now we're going to use this little sample of Luminous Silk. I have heard if you get matched properly that you will love it. I just do not feel like I have ever been matched properly. So maybe this is the ticket. I'm going to dot a little bit down here, down my neck, and we can kind of see what we think. And maybe they've got it right, guys. It looks a little bit peachy to me, but you know what? We are gonna go ahead and try this on. I'm just, whoa, they actually gave me a bunch of product. So I'm going to dot this on, and then let's go ahead and see how this is. Okay, I think I am going to use a little damp beauty blender, or actually a Real Technique sponge, and I'm gonna just come here, guys, and see if you can see. And I'm going to dot this in to my skin. Okay, so I just am looking in the mirror over here, and I actually think this match is the best one that I've had so far. I thought I would need to go lighter, but evidently I kind of think this 5.75 might be the winner. I'm gonna look up how it is described. That would be the one thing I would say, is that a lot of them do not have great, or on the Armani site, it just has the numbers. It doesn't necessarily tell you kind of the undertones, and that part I have been wanting to know. I think Sephora does a much better job. I'm gonna pull this down my neck. Okay, funny enough. Okay, you guys, I am looking in the mirror, and I honestly have to say, I think we might have found a match, but I'm gonna have you guys see what you think. That is so funny. Maybe, let's see. I kind of see a little bit of peachiness, but nothing too bad. I think I'm gonna put just a teeny bit more. I don't wanna overdo it, but I do kind of wanna see how this coverage builds up. Because I know this is so silly, but since everybody loves it so much, I wasn't even interested, but they had a whole display of this, and they were doing matches for people, so I think it was kind of interesting. And I think I must look like a sucker, and they're like, oh yeah, she totally will buy this, which was probably true. Okay, so you guys, I am here, and the one thing I'm noticing, so there's already Luminous Silk is kind of considered obviously luminous, but I've always thought of it as more of a medium satin kind of look, and I am seeing a little bit of that Glow Balm kind of come peeking through my skin, which I'm really enjoying. Okay, you guys, I might have just found my match. Oh, okay. I'm going to finish up my face real quick and do a quick eye look, and let's go ahead and start with my new obsession. And now we are going to try out the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip, and this is in Hippie Shake. I was kind of intrigued. I'm not a big liquid lip person, but I have been wearing a little bit lighter, more pinky-ish nude colors because I don't want to be drawing attention to my small lips as well as my Invisalign. So this one just got rave reviews, and I haven't bought a lot of Bobbi Brown stuff lately. I used to totally be a Bobbi Brown girl. And then again, some of the stuff that in her, particularly her foundations, there is lavender, either oil or extract. There's something that irritates my skin. But I always loved her concept of like having no rules, natural beauty. I just always liked that whole concept. So these got rave reviews, and I thought, you know what, let me go ahead and try one of her products again. So my lips are a little dry, guys. I should have put on a lip balm first. And so what I'm gonna tell you, this is a hybrid product that is supposed to be a balm, but in this liquid form. So right off the bat, I love the balm part of it because it sticks to my lips without drying them out. The applicator is quite interesting too. I want to see if you guys can see that. And this shade is supposed to be sort of a blue pink shade, kind of a good pink neutral. And I'm actually quite enjoying this. So I'm going to tell you right off the bat, guys, they feel amazing on the lips. There was a couple other colors that I was intrigued by. Lychee Baby seemed a little bit, that would be your very pale nude. I was kind of curious about that, but it kind of looked like it could wash me off, and it was more in the peach zone. Then they have some really pretty bright colors that I think are amazing, but that's not what I'm looking for right now. So I'm gonna wear this and then do a little check-in for a couple things to see what we think about this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, but had that base of the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Balm. So I am gonna tell you right now, that scent, that kind of eucalyptus scent that I first smell has totally dissipated. So I was a little bit worried about that. I have, if you're new to my channel, you guys, I have skin that can be rosacea prone. I'm in a good zone right now, but I do need to be careful with essential oils and fragrance and stuff like that. So I'm not saying I don't use it, but I do try to be extra careful. Okay, you guys, so far I have to be honest, I am loving this Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip, and I am gonna go forth with my work day, and then I will check back in a little bit and we can kind of see what you think. But I'm gonna come up a little bit close, have you see this. You guys have a fabulous day. I'll check back in a little bit. Hi guys, I am doing a little check-in of our Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I hate to say it, I think I might have found my bag. I am in shade 5.75, and that is described as medium skin tone with warm undertones. I'm gonna come up just a little bit here. I'm actually gonna take a little picture for you guys. Okay, we shall see if we actually think it's good. I also wanted to go ahead and reapply my Bobbi Brown. Now I'm gonna tell you, this lasted pretty darn, actually really enjoying this formulation. So I'm just gonna come here, we'll put a little bit up close and personal. You guys, I obviously have small lips here, and I want to describe this to you. So you know how I was in love with the Vapor Siren lipsticks? I still am. But it's because they had that balmy, had that little grip to the lips. And these, I love it because it's kind of a hybrid where It feels a little bit, it definitely feels like balm, but then it also has a little bit of that gloss look that I like and enjoy. So this is a little bit pinky for me. I'm not saying that I don't like it, but it's a little bit out of my wheelhouse. But I think it screams spring and it goes with my sweater. So hey, we are going, we are on it. Okay, so a couple real quick things because my battery is about to die. I am actually really enjoying the Luminous Silk. I am kind of surprised, but I think I may have finally found my match. I'm also maybe liking it because of that Bobbi Brown Illuminating Balm. I think that it's kind of a good combination. And I've got another really fun video coming up, just a little teaser, but we are gonna do a little Mix Master Glowy Skin video coming up. I just want to share a couple little tips that I like to do to really make my skin look healthy and glowy, and a few of those kind of unique products that help do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little chatty get ready with me. Highly recommend this, the crushed lip, liquid lip. These I would definitely recommend. I will let you know more about that Bobbi Brown Illuminating Balm, okay? We'll see what we think about it. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching.